that video I just showed you, that was my friend Cbones' video. Please go subscribe to his YouTube channel. He only has like 600 something subs. He needs more subs for the quality that he does. Definitely going to be doing more cinematic videos with him once I am back from SEMA with the car. And yeah, and then also link in description to his channel, and then there's also a link in the description to the Teespring market. All the V1 design stuff is on sale right now, super cheap. Like the shirts are like $16, the hoodies are like $22, $24. So go check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.